Ever stand in front of a long menu and suddenly feel stuck? More options seem helpful, but they can make choosing much harder. Your brain compares every choice against the others. It asks which option is best, safest, cheapest, and least likely to disappoint. Each comparison uses mental energy. Soon, a simple decision becomes a crowded checklist. Then another problem appears: fear of choosing wrong. When there are only two options, the missed option feels small. When there are 20, every unchosen option feels like a possible mistake. Psychologists call this choice overload. The answer is not finding the perfect option. Set a few clear rules before you choose. Pick your top two needs, remove weak options, and choose from what remains. Fewer meaningful choices make decisions faster and calmer.